Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at expressions with make and do. For example, you do the housework, you do well, you do badly, you make the tea or you make the coffee, you make money, you make a noise. So do and make, but which expressions have do and which expressions use make? It's not easy. You just have to remember each one as you learn it. Have a look at these examples on Uncle Geoff's board. Here are some sentences about learning, but is it do or is it make? Have a look at the first one. Do you always your homework? Is it do or make in here? Number 2. How do you feel when you a mistake in English? Number 3. What kind of exercises do you like in class? And number 4. Do you note when you listen to your teacher? What are the missing words? Number 1. Do you always do your homework? You always do homework. Do you always do your homework? Number 2. How do you feel when you a mistake in English? The missing word is make. You always make a mistake. The expression is make a mistake. How do you feel when you make a mistake in English? Number 3. What kind of exercises do you like in class? It's not do, it's doing. What kind of exercises do you like doing in class? Because of like, if you like it now, you must have liked it before. ing has a feeling of before, so it's doing. What kind of exercises do you like doing in class? And the last one, do you notes when you listen to your teacher? Do you make notes? Do you make notes when you listen to your teacher? There are lots and lots of expressions with do and make. You just have to learn each one individually. So there we are. English vocabulary, expressions with do and make. Most of the time they are easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends and we'll see you and them next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.